Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where this green line here is coming from. And I'm not patting myself on the back here, but I am definitely going to pat charts and technical analysis, especially when some people out there, oh, charts don't work, charts are a scam, blah, blah, blah. Am I saying charts are perfect? Absolutely not. Nothing is perfect. But, you know, I promised, and if you don't believe me, that's fine. You can go back and watch the video from, August 27th. But I put that green line in there. I talked about that green line being support. And look right where the price essentially bounced right off of. Right there. And then from that point of view, up it went. And I guarantee you there were some chart players that bought right down there. And they are laughing at anybody that says charts don't work, because those chart players just experienced a very nice bounce on the day. So again, are charts perfect? No, but anybody that says they're totally worthless or anything like that, be very skeptical, because, right here, the proof is in the pudding. Just an absolute classic bounce from that area. So getting back into, the current story of things, not really a whole lot to update, honestly. The level I talked about that you want to see act as support did indeed act as support. The one update that I suppose we could throw in here is now more so kind of the ideal level of support going forward. Meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? And that would be if the price can stay up above 295. But if the price does fall below 295, by no means does that imply the overall chart is ruined or anything. Because not only do you have the level down here of support that I've talked about, but you also have moving average support, the pink line being the 200 period, and the purple line being the 50 period. In other words, because of today's big solid movement, there are now quite a few levels of support down below the price. Now, on the flip side of things, the level of resistance, has definitely been confirmed. And I use the word confirmed because previously, it was basically implied that right up here around 303-ish was that level of resistance, for the simple reason, well, that's where the price was previously rejected right there. So you fast forward to today, and that shouldn't be any shock that the price was once again rejected from that area. I'm not saying the price can't push through that area. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did ultimately struggle right up around there after going on a big old bounce, and then what a coincidence, right where this big old bounce struggled. Well, right there where it struggled before. So 303 definitely the key level of resistance going into tomorrow. But all in all, very nice recovery today. Nice bounce off that level of support. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.